Hi, are you here for an Uber?
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Yes.
What's your name?
Mary.
Oh, sorry, let me... Actually, I don't know how to... I think it's stuck.
Okay.
How are you?
Good.
Nice hair.
Thank you. I just got them done.
Them done?
Yeah, the hair.
I said you're... Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, never mind. I thought you were... Okay. All right. So, where are you off to today?
I was just meeting some friends, you know, Mani Petty. Yeah.
Mani Petty?
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you from? I like your accent.
Oh, thank you. I'm from Europe.
Ooh, is that
Is that a continent? Yeah.
I know it's a continent. Which what country? Let me guess.
Okay, have a guess.
Russia.
Oh, hell no.
No, you look Russian.
Oh my god, that's offensive.
You sound Russian.
That's offensive.
I'm sorry.
Well, apologies not accepted.
Well, don't rate me 1 star. 5 stars. 5-star driver here. So I've never gotten a 1 star before.
Yeah. Sure.
Trying to keep that rating, you know.
Well, maybe you should be nicer. A little bit. And just don't speed that much. Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna get a heart attack.
I like to drive fast, you know.
To show off to everyone?
Yeah.
That's not impressive at all.
My Prius is my baby.
That's just embarrassing.
Yeah, I got a really nice loan on it too.
Really?
Yeah.
Along with student loans?
Yep.
Perfect.
I'll pay them off one day. Oh, I
That's
almost
it.
missed a stop. Sorry. You have your seatbelt on?
No.
Can...
Shall I put it on?
Yes, please.
Oh my god. It's just unacceptable.
The weather is so nice, huh?
Oh yeah, it's okay.
Can't beat LA, huh? Is that why you came here, for the weather?
Oh,
It's probably cold in Europe, huh?
It is. That's why I came here. Because, like, man, I'm tired of rain and all that shit.
Yeah. I hear you there.
Yeah.
So anyways,
So how was your day?
my day?
Yeah.
Just making money, you know, another day, another dollar.
Oh, so that's how it is in here.
Yeah.
Just drive around making money?
Well, I'm trying to pay off my car, so
Oh, what about your student loans?
I'll do that one day.
When you die?
No. I mean,
like, don't get me wrong, but like with that speed of yours, like you're not gonna pay it until you're dead.
wait, what?
Like,
Am I driving too slow?
yeah, like no, like with that kind of temperament, like
Oh.
by just driving, you're not gonna pay them until you're dead.
Oh, this isn't my real job.
Oh really? What's your real job?
Well, I do retail.
Oh really?
Yeah, just on the side. Extra money.
So why the hell do you do that if you do retail?
It's like $11 an hour.
Oh,
It adds up, you know.
that's sad, I guess.
Well, I'm trying to work my way up to be a manager, but
Wait, so you did go to college and you're doing this?
well, I couldn't find a real job, you know. Nobody accepted my application, so
Why not? Was it too bad?
well, I got my degree in sorry, somebody just passed me.
Oh yeah, because you're driving so slow.
Well, we're in a residential neighborhood. The speed limit's 25, you know, I don't want to break any limits.
Okay, whatever, do whatever.
Oh yeah, so I got my degree in art, but no one's hiring an artist.
Oh, art.
It's so weird.
Oh, well,
It's like you
okay.
think everyone would want an artist, but
No, not really. Why would you think that?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Well, that's...
My mom told me to just follow my heart, so.
Well, that's good you did.
And now I'm driving for Uber. It's like,
Oh, well, yeah, that didn't turn out good, I guess.
well, one day, you know.
One day when? You're getting older, I'm assuming.
Well, I'm still trying, you know.
Well, you gotta get there, yeah.
I'm trying not to give up on my dreams.
Yeah, don't do it. Just, you know, do your thing, I guess. Yeah, it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be alright.
Did you cancel?
No.
Did you just cancel the ride?
No. I did not.
You canceled the ride.
You're accusing me of some bullshit I didn't do.
Wait, why did you... What?
I didn't do it.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I need to pull over.
No, do not pull over.
You can't...
I'm gonna be late.
You just canceled the ride.
I didn't, I swear to God.
What are you trying... Are you trying to get a free ride?
No.
Do you know how the Uber thing works? You can't just cancel it, because then...
I didn't cancel it. Why are you accusing me of things I haven't done?
Well, you're not on... You need a...
Well, your app is broken then. I didn't do it.
No, that's not how it works.
How it works then?
I'm sorry. It's you can figure it out on your own. You can call a different Uber, or you can reorder. You can reorder me as a new ride.
No.
But I'm not getting paid to drive you around for free, so.
No, I'm not getting out.
I'm sorry. You need to get out.
No.
You need to get out.
No.
Yes.
Put your gas on, and go straight right now.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm dead ass serious.
Well.
Turn
okay,
your
well,
car on. And go straight.
Okay, well, I'm gonna have to drop you off in a nice, like I'm gonna still drop you off somewhere close, though.
Why are you gonna drop me off?
Because you're just a stranger right now.
What do you mean I'm just a stranger?
You're not my passenger right now. You ended the ride.
Was that? I was a stranger.
You're probably trying to
got into.
You're trying to scam me for a free ride.
I'm not scamming you. I didn't do shit.
Is that what
I don't have the mobile data on my phone right now. I don't have the internet. How would I do it?
That's not how it works. If you didn't have it, it would be a normal ride, but you canceled it.
I did not cancel it. And I'm not gonna let you disrespect me like that.
I'm gonna pull you over and let you out.
You're not gonna pull me over anywhere.
I don't really care that you don't have data.
I don't care that you think I canceled the fucking ride. You're gonna get me to my destination.
I'm not kidding. I'm sorry. I can't do that.
Are you kidding me right now?
I'm going to pull over somewhere and you're gonna get out, okay?
Excuse me. I don't know where the heck we are.
That's not my problem.
I don't like it at all.
Here, I'm gonna pull in here and you can get out here.
No. I'm not doing it.
I really don't care at this point, so.
Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now?
I'm not kidding you.
I'm talking to you.
You are gonna get out, okay?
I am not getting out. You are a lunatic if you think I'm gonna get out.
All right.
What is that? What is this place?
This is, I don't know. You're gonna get out.
No.
Yes.
No.
Oh wait, I have to roll down my window. My door doesn't open from the inside.
Why would you open your door?
Because you're getting out.
I'm not getting out.
I'm gonna help you get out.
No.
Yep.
No.
You're getting out.
The fuck?
All right, get out.
No.
Get out of the car.
No.
You're on camera right now.
So what?
So get out.
No. No. There's no way I'm doing it.
Get out of the car.
No.
Get out of the
Do
car.
you want me to call the cops?
Sure. You're sitting in my car illegally right now.
No, I'm not.
Get out of my car.
No.
Get out of my car.
No.
Please? I have to go make money. I have to pay rent tomorrow.
Okay, then do it.
You want to come home with me? I'm going to go drive home.
Take me to my destination.
No.
Why?
Because you're a stranger at this point.
I am not. I don't care.
I'm going to send this video to Uber too.
Okay, do whatever you want. I don't care.
Get out of my car.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I'm sorry, I'm busy.
You want to wait?
Yeah, I can wait the whole day.
You're going to wait the whole day.
Yeah, I'm not gonna get out of the car.
Do you want me to help you order an Uber?
No.
Here, I'll help you order an Uber.
No. Don't touch me.
Can you just please get out?
No.
You just canceled in the middle of the ride.
I didn't. Your app did.
Okay, I'm not joking. Get out. Take your seatbelt off. We're not even moving anymore.
Okay. Happy now?
Yes, get out.
No.
Get out of the car.
No.
I'm not joking. Get out.
No.
I'm serious. Get out.
No.
Get out.
No. No. I'm not getting out.
Get out.
No. Don't touch me.
Okay, well, you're in my car. Fine, I'll call the cops.
Okay, call them.
Can you just please make it easy on me? I don't have this time to file police report. Just get out.
Oh my god, fine.
Thank you. And don't slam the door on your way out. Oh my god. Are you serious? I hate this. I hate my job.